to show you what we found, what I paid for it, and what we're going to list it for on eBay. Before we get started on the Goodwill Shop and Haul video, I need to do the drawing for the green jumping jack that was in a recent video. This is a cell phone holder. So let me look at the comments here. I'm not going to look at the comments. I'm going to randomly draw a name. Patch Rollins. Patch Rollins, you just won the green jumping jack. Thank you for subscribing, supporting my channel, and commenting. And you watched the entire video and picked up on those keywords where I gave away a jumping jack if your name was drawn. So congratulations. Patch, please go to the description below and email me, not comment here, but email me your mailing information and I'll get it out to you. Thanks again and congratulations. I don't always give these away, but then you never know when I do. Let's get started on that Goodwill video. Mark and I have been stopping into the Goodwill at least once a week. Well, at least once a week. Sometimes more. It just depends on how close we are to it. And what I like about the Goodwill, a couple of things. I know everybody says that prices are so high, but have you been to some of the thrift stores lately? Talk about high prices. Some of them have gotten pretty high, especially consignment shops. But the Goodwill hasn't been too bad. On average, you can expect anything to be possibly $2.99 to $3.99. Once in a while, a little bit less, and a lot of times a little bit more. With that said, this video is a compilation of several trips to the Goodwill to show you what we found, what I paid for it, and what we're going to list it for on eBay. When I can, I show a little bit of shopping and a little bit of haul, but watch all the way to the end because there's often more things shown at the end of the video. And some things I just don't catch on video when I'm shopping. Too many people, too many distractions, too much searching comps. Sometimes I forget to video the item in the store. So watch all the way through the video to see everything that we found to resell. You might be surprised what you can find at the Goodwill, even though I still stand by get the goods before they get to Goodwill. Let's get this camera turned around and let's get started. This looks like an Anchor Hocking chip bowl, but it's missing its dip bowl and the holder, the metal holder. Anything hand painted in Italy gets my attention. It was originally $12.94. Should I buy it? Picked up this little star dish, ceramic dish, and yes, it has a reindeer under that price tag of $2.99. Let's turn it over. The brand is La Gioconda, hand painted in Italy, and it originally was $12.95. We will take that price tag off because right now on eBay we can list this for $24.95 plus shipping. Always lots of stuff left behind from weeks before. I'm not sure how long Goodwill holds on to things until they get rid of it. But some of these things have been here for a while. This matte or frosted pink diamond cut looks like a large vase or a large sundae dish, probably a vase. Probably had some value, but it was a little bit scuffed up, so I passed. This is a little glass egg dish made by Avon. Now this caught my attention because I have a purple one just like it. It's Blanco glass and it's a water pitcher. You can pour from either side. At the top you'll see two spouts. As you saw, I picked up the Blanco water pitcher and it does need cleaned up. Haven't done that yet. Paid $3.99 for it and we'll list it for $29.95 plus shipping. I still have my little wood box from Lane when I graduated high school, but I've never seen one that said Lane's sports box, but it is in poor condition, so I decided to pass. We did buy this Pier 1 hand-painted teardrop ornament, paid $2.99 and listed it for $24.95. These Aquatech power filters look interesting. I do like buying cartridges to resell, all types of cartridges. It's just a hodgepodge. $3.99. Glass, plastic. This vintage box of subtraction cards definitely got my attention. First of all, it definitely looks vintage. It has a lot of age to the box and the cards. So I took a quick peek on eBay to see what they were going for. Paid $2.99 for this box of 1940s Iroquois Publishing Company flashcards, and yes, listed them for $69.95. Let's take a look around and see what else we can find. This Beatrice Potter cup and saucer is absolutely adorable, and I thought for sure it was going to be a good find until I looked on the back and saw that it said Teleflora gift. Looked it up on eBay. There's many of them out there and they're not going for very much, so I did have to pass, but definitely cute. We spotted this retro mauve pink planter. Actually, it has a mid-century modern style.
Hager floral. $2.99.
When looking at the label, we saw that it was Hager floral. Now, I've definitely found Hager items before, but I've never seen Hager floral. It was made in USA in Macomb, Illinois. And I will use MCM in the title for mid-century modern. I'll also list two colors of mauve and pink to help describe the shade of pink. Paid $2.99 and listed it for $69.95 and already have one watcher on it. I would say that looks like a poncho on the bottom. Pretty rough.
Like a what?
A poncho for hand-blown glass.
Oh, yeah.
They all have them, and it's pretty rough on the bottom of each one.
Yeah.
So these are hand-blown glasses.
Yeah.
But I can't figure out the brand. Bought it for $4.99. Looks like a craft project. Artist in process. Ooh, what's that? Looks like Blue Ridge. I don't know what that was. I hit something with my foot. $2.99. It's pretty. It's two-sided. It's a maybe. Even though this teapot is imperfect, it is Blue Ridge pottery, and one side of it's pretty good. Blue Ridge pottery was based in Irwin, Tennessee, and we see it around here quite frequently. I will say, however, that it often is in poor condition. I picked this up not necessarily to resell it on eBay, but because I wanted to keep it. I'll show you here how I've used it in one of my own displays. Some of the other things that you see in my little vignette are listed on eBay. I decided to start decorating with them before they sell. I just hope that when it sells, I can remember where I put it. We're not shying away from glassware anymore. I'm picking it all up, checking it out, trying to research the brand, find out what it is. Yes, I'm finally doing research on glass items.
Heavy.
And we're starting to buy it, and we're starting to list it, and you're going to see more videos on glassware.
Work hard, drink bourbon.
And you know me, I'll show you how to pack it and ship it too. In fact, check out all my pack and ship videos. I pack and ship a lot of glass and fragile items.
What are these? Alpha. It looks like it's a sorority mug. I think I'll pass. Those look vintage. Not sure of the maker. Cute. I'll have to check those out.
Actually, this is pronounced Peugeot. My husband knows his French better than I do, that's for sure. So we did pick these up. They're in pretty good shape. They're made from beech wood. They did have salt and pepper in them. They're grinders. And Mark did his best to empty them out. They're actually quite nice, and if they were in my kitchen colors, I would have kept them. But we paid $1.99 for the set. and listed them on eBay for $39.95. And guess what? They sold. I accepted an offer of $35. Not bad, right? $1.99 to $35 plus shipping. Nice sale.
It's a cute little basket. It's pressed glass. It's $2.99. It's got a little metal handle. Maybe this will be my auction item as a viewer. I'm going to, I think I'll get this started on eBay, auction $2.99 if you'd like to bid on it. You get to see it in the video, and this could be your little candy dish at your desk, your work desk. So I think I'll pick this up. I think it will go for first class mail. Feels like it might.
Some of the glass items that you're seeing in this video, we went back a few days later and bought them.
Oh, some more of those green glasses. This little owl cup, that's adorable. Maybe it's a little, that's a cup, not a picture. It's got a signature on the bottom. Looks like something that would be made in Mexico. It's got that look, that hand painting. That's really cute. Let's keep checking this out. Chicken soup, see them all the time. Not picking up anymore. Some green glass. Oh, these are from France. I've got the white set in the octagon shape. Like I said, I have the white set in the cups. I'm not going to buy any more. There's some etched glasses. I don't know if you can see it. What's that? It's heavy. $3.99. Big platter bowl. Ooh, Italy. To check that over. Mark, you want to check that for me, please? Oh, it's chipped. Oh, we're going to pass then. Don't feel like buying chipped items today. Oreo cookies, anyone? Love those. Ooh, what's that? Looks like depression glass. $2.99. That's pretty.
Paid $2.99 for this early American pressed glass depression glass made by Federal. It's a cake plate or platter. Paid $2.99 and listed it for $24.95. Keep watching, there's more, and be sure to subscribe.
Toys. I've already gone through most of these aisles. Only found a few things today. Just a few things. Sometimes when we pop in here, just because we're in the area, we just try to pick out the 3 best picks. And that's kind of what we have done today. Almost missed this. New sealed. Gotta check it out. $1.99.
Paid $1.99 and listed this ink cartridge for $19.95. Keep watching. I have more Goodwill finds from Tennessee, from Virginia, from Ohio. Things that we found at the Goodwill to resell. This Goodwill find was $3.99. It's a little house on a tray. It's actually a little butter dish or a cheese dish. And who is it by? It says Occupy Japan. And as I said, I paid $3.99, and I think I'll put this at $24.95 with make offer. This little creamer was $1.99 at the Goodwill. And it says on the bottom, let me turn it around, Roseville, Ohio. And let's see, I think I'll probably put this at $19.95 with make offer. Look at this vintage lampshade. I think it's pretty neat. It has this wrapping around the top, and it's a paper shade. It was $1.99 at the Goodwill, and I think I'll probably list this, well, because it's so unique, I think I'm going to try it at $24.95 with make offer. This is a jigsaw puzzle. We need to get that label off of there. It says Autumn Market, paid $1.99.
and basically is new in box. And here's something neat about it. This is a magnetic opening. You can flip that open, and there's the puzzle. Pretty unique. It says it's by Trevor Mitchell. Paid $1.99 and listed this autumn market puzzle for $24.95. Picked up this wine rack, and you would think that I paid $10 for it, but no, that's not a Goodwill sticker. This is a wine rack organizer, and let me open it and show you here. It has the instructions and all the original parts. We did check it out, and there was one little piece that had a chip in it. Let's flip this over, and there's the Goodwill label. Paid $4.99 for it. Paid $4.99 for this modular wine rack set, and listed for $34.95. And we have a set of 4 rocks glasses. McCormick Genuine Irish Whiskey. 4 of these. Paid $2.99 for the set of 4. And the 4 glasses will be listed for $39.95 plus shipping. Here's something different. It says it's a yellow scope science kit for girls. Foundation chemistry, beakers and baubles. And it is new. It has this cardboard wrap around it, so I'm not going to, well, I might actually be able to slide it out of the sleeve. Paid $5.99 at Goodwill. Let me see if I can open this. I took it out of the sleeve. Let's take a peek inside. It has this little manual. Everything looks like it would be complete. It has these mats and some other pieces inside. It truly looks complete to us. Paid $5.99 for this foundation chemistry kit and listed for $49.95. And this little glass basket with handle is an eBay auction item, and as this video is released for you to see, this item is up for auction on eBay if you as a subscriber would like to bid on it. The auction price starts at what we paid for it of $2.99 plus shipping. It's a 7-day auction and is coming out, as I said, at the time of this video. But then I never know when you're going to see the video, so the auction may have ended. But if you're interested, jump over to the link below and check out the auction. If you like these kind of videos, I appreciate a thumbs up. I invite you to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. I'll see you soon. Simple sales for good profit.